This is not just a car, this is the car that started the American muscle revolution. The 1965 Pontiac GTO 389 V8 4-speed manual, and a roar that still sends shivers down your spine. If you think you've seen a classic muscle car before, think again. What you're about to see isn't just rare, it's legendary. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time, the 1965 Pontiac GTO. Buckle up, because this isn't just a car, it's a rolling legend, a statement of style, power, and pure American muscle that changed the game forever. From the moment you lay eyes on this 1965 GTO, you know you're looking at something special. This isn't just a car with a nameplate, it's the original muscle car pioneer, the one that set the template for every V8 powered pony to follow. And this particular model we're featuring today is nothing short of extraordinary, with its 389 cubic inch V8 4-speed manual transmission, air conditioning, PHS documentation, and a special order paint finish. It's a rare blend of authenticity, performance, and style. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the engine. Under the hood lies a 389C V8, and this isn't just any engine. Depending on its configuration, it produces up to 360 horsepower straight out of the factory. That's a number that even today commands respect. The sound it makes is pure muscle car poetry, a low, rumbling growl that resonates deep in your chest, letting everyone around know that this car is not just for show. And because this GTO has the 4-speed manual transmission, every shift is an experience. You feel the engine come alive as you row through the gears, connecting man and machine in a way only a true classic muscle car can. Now, let's talk style. The 1965 Pontiac GTO was revolutionary. With its sleek, aggressive lines, signature split grille, and bold stance, it doesn't just look fast, it feels fast, even standing still. And this particular model has special order paint, meaning its color isn't something you see every day. It's tailored, unique, and turns heads wherever it goes. Every curve, every line, every chrome detail has been designed to make a statement, and this GTO delivers. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit that's all about comfort and control. Leather trimmed seats, a perfectly laid out dashboard, and the classic GTO gauge cluster create an environment that's both nostalgic and exhilarating. And yes, it even has air conditioning, a luxury that was rare for muscle cars in 1965. This car isn't just for showing off, it's built for driving enjoyment. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking a weekend road trip, one of the most important aspects for collectors and enthusiasts alike is authenticity. And this GTO comes with PHS documentation. That means its originality is verified, from the engine to the transmission to every special order option. Collectors dream of finding a car like this because it's not just a replica or a restored build. It's the real deal, and that provenance significantly enhances both its historical and monetary value. Driving the 1965 GTO is nothing short of intoxicating. The steering is precise, the suspension gives just enough firmness to feel the road while remaining comfortable, and the brakes deliver confidence when you need them. But the true joy comes from the experience of raw power. You press down on the accelerator, and the car responds instantly, launching forward with authority. The rumble of that 389 V8, combined with the mechanical feedback through the shifter and steering wheel, is what makes this more than a car, it's an emotion. Let's take a moment to appreciate the cultural impact of this car. The GTO was more than just a performance machine, it was a symbol of freedom, style, and rebellion. It represented an era when cars were about personality, power, and presence. Every magazine cover, every street race, every cruising scene from the mid-60s had at least one GTO in it, because this car captured the imagination of an entire generation. And today it continues to inspire enthusiasts, collectors, and anyone who appreciates automotive excellence. Now let's talk about collectability and investment potential. A 1965 Pontiac GTO in this condition with original PHS documentation and a rare special order paint is highly sought after. Cars like this rarely appear on the market, and when they do, they command top dollar. Not only is it a thrilling car to drive, but it's also a tangible piece of automotive history that will only grow in value over time. This makes it the perfect combination of passion and investment, a car you can enjoy behind the wheel while also knowing it's a secure collectible. Imagine taking this GTO to a weekend car show, the way it gleams under the sun, the way people's heads turn as it passes, the admiration it draws. It's an experience like no other. And when you fire it up, that engine roar doesn't just announce your presence, it commands respect. It's the kind of car that creates memories, turns casual observers into enthusiasts, and leaves an impression that lasts long after the engine cools. From a mechanical standpoint, this car is built to last. The 389 V8 is robust, the 4-speed transmission is smooth, and with proper maintenance, it can deliver decades of enjoyment. It's not just a museum piece, it's a car meant to be driven, felt, and experienced. Every twist of the key, every gear change, every rumble of the exhaust is a reminder of why the GTO earned its place in the pantheon of American muscle cars. And let's not forget the aesthetic details that elevate this car to luxury level status. The chrome trim sparkles in the sunlight, the wheels and tires perfectly complement the aggressive stance, and the interior craftsmanship reminds you that this wasn't just mass-produced, it was designed to impress. This GTO has presence, character, and soul, all in one perfectly packaged machine. So whether you're a collector, a muscle car enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates automotive excellence, the 1965 Pontiac GTO checks every box. From its heart-pounding engine to its unique styling, from its authentic documentation to its luxurious driving experience, this car is more than a ride, it's a legacy on wheels. If you ever wanted to own a car that embodies everything great about 1960s American muscle, the raw power, the design, the thrill of driving, the 1965 GTO is the one. It's a car that speaks to your soul, turns heads wherever it goes, and leaves an indelible mark on anyone lucky enough to experience it. So there you have it, folks. An authentic, fully documented, beautifully finished 1965 Pontiac GTO that delivers on all fronts: power, style, comfort, and collectability. This is the kind of car that defines a collection, elevates a garage, and delivers an unforgettable driving experience every single time you hit the road. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because we've got more classic, rare, and ultra luxury muscle cars coming your way. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of automotive excellence. Thanks for joining me on this ride through history, power, and style. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your dreams driving.